Latest research and development. 1. Sea levels rising faster than at any time in 4,000 years, study warns. A study of geological records reveals that sea levels are rising at their fastest rate in 4,000 years, underscoring the urgent need for both global and local action. 2. Rain in the Sahara. Climate change could turn the desert wetter than ever. Once one of the planet's driest landscapes, the Sahara Desert may become far wetter by the end of this century. 3. What's rumbling beneath the Oldoinyo Lengai volcano? Scientists finally know. Researchers at Mainz University identified volcanic tremors caused by the movement of magma. 4. Meet the Dragon Prince. Paleontologists discover T. Rex's closest known ancestor. Khunkhulu served as a precursor to the famed bone-crushing kings of the Cretaceous. 5. Stem cell textbooks challenged by immortal flatworm. Star Wars scientists uncover new principles guiding how flatworm stem cells regenerate body parts, revealing clues that could advance tissue repair and regenerative medicine in humans. 6. New study reveals the best type of exercise for knee osteoarthritis pain. Experts recommend engaging in regular aerobic exercise to enhance function and alleviate pain. 7. Your zip code may predict your dementia risk, new study finds. Neighborhood conditions appear to shape dementia-related brain biology. 8. Your cannabis habits may be written in your DNA, scientists say. Genetic links between cannabis use and various traits may help guide the creation of prevention and treatment strategies for cannabis use disorders. 9. Fresh ice from Saturn's moon Enceladus reveals stunning new clues to life. Scientists re-examining data from NASA's Cassini spacecraft have uncovered exciting new evidence from Saturn's icy moon Enceladus. 10. It looks like life dug these gullies on Mars, but something stranger did. Blocks of frozen carbon dioxide sliding down Martian dunes may have carved the planet's strange gullies, mimicking the work of living creatures. 11. Lunar radio telescopes could finally reveal the secrets of dark matter. Japanese scientists simulated faint 21 cm radio waves from the universe's dark ages, offering a potential way to detect dark matter. 12. Breakthrough vitamin K compounds may reverse Alzheimer's damage. Scientists in Japan have developed enhanced versions of vitamin K that could help the brain repair itself by generating new neurons. 13. Scientists may have found a simple way to reverse aging eyes. Scientists at UC Irvine have found a way to restore vision in aging eyes by targeting how the body processes certain fats. 14. Mystery solved after 25 years, how Europe's largest bat hunts birds like a fighter jet. After nearly 25 years of investigation, scientists have solved the mystery. Europe's largest bat not only eats small birds, it hunts and catches them more than a kilometer above the ground, and consumes them while still in flight. 15. 4,000-year-old mystery solved, new research rewrites the origins of Egypt's greatest temple. Most comprehensive study of the temple complex and its surrounding land and waterscapes identifies the earliest period of occupation and points to a possible connection with the creation myth. Thanks for watching this video.